My Wife the Metaphysician, or Lady Murasaki's Revenge, Section 19. The Pianist is Ready to Begin. The pianist is ready to begin. The thin, dark-haired girl stares open-mouthed at the famous profile and the compact torso hunched over the Steinway on the college stage. Only 4 days short of her 14th April birthday, she who can already play any Mozart concerto with thoroughbred sureness and innate musicianship sits impatiently in the second row, waiting for the familiar opening sounds of the Bach-Busoni chaconne. The music begins. She looks down at the program, playing along with her small-fingered hands all the familiar notes, while reading the old-fashioned, restrained announcement, limning the features of a well-remembered lakeside hotel that beckons in her mind's eye. A delightful experience in resort living, appealing to many who are here in this audience. Open June to September. Inquiry invited. A luxurious park of 60 acres with a delightful private beach, superb tennis courts. Capacity 200. Superlative food, served with distinction. Unusual entertainment. Can the outdoor delights ever truly compete with the indoor magnificence of this evening's concert? What tennis stroke, no matter how superlatively delivered, can evoke the emotional diapason summoned to life in the girl's breast by the Waldstein Sonata, the Brahms Intermezzi, or Chopin's Barcarolle? Little did she know that the fin de siècle languor of Liszt's Valse oubliée, which completed the arc of the pianist's program, would prefigure the leitmotif of her life beyond this precious April evening, brimming over with emotions of an asymptotic future.